Now, that thing's been there for years. That's everything right there, y'all. Yeah. Ooh, that's good. Look at this. Basic hot dog. I've been eating these since I was 5 years old. Alright, y'all, we just pulled up to Coney Island. There it is, y'all. Nathan's hot dogs across the street. Don't matter. All right, y'all. Just had to come out here because I heard that my homie Badland Jugs had won the competition. The Nathan's. They got a clam bar too. I want some clams from the boardwalk though. That's Jersey rap. What you know about that, boy? What you know about that Jersey hip hop? We in the hot dog line, y'all. They mad busy outside. Yo, we here at Nathan's in Coney Island in Brooklyn, New York. About to get us something to eat. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, the hot dog, the fries. We got. That's our order, y'all. That's it. It's everything. That's everything right there, y'all. Y'all gonna grab it? I need some mustard on my hot dog. That's my hot dog. It's over here? Okay. You gonna bring it out? You want mustard? Alright, Zoe's carrying it, y'all. Let's go out here and check it out, Nathan.
Nathan, cheese fries.
That's
I want fries. I got the cheese fries.
I got the cheese fries. You got that right there.
Stuff like
Which one is which?
Because that one got the bacon in it.
you said loading without the bacon, and then that doesn't have
Go
bacon.
ask the lady which one is which.
So that's one then, the fish without the bacon. I just thought about it.
Oh my goodness. Y'all not coming with me no more. Give me my hot dog. I know that's my hot dog. All right, y'all. We're going to put some mustard on it. Hold that like this. Yeah. Ooh, that's good. All right, we got the mustard on it. Y'all got relish too, sis? Inside the relish? We're here, man. Nathan's at Coney Island. Coney Island Beach, Coney Island Amusements, Coney Island, New York. Look at this. Basic hot dog. I don't know how much was. Didn't we get a receipt? Oh, you got a receipt.
It was like 24, 20, 35, something like that.
All right, it was total was $34.79. The Sprite, right, which I didn't know they were gonna give me this big a Sprite, was $5 for this Sprite. That's ridiculous. Y'all know I should have been drinking water. I know y'all gonna be like, sorry, y'all don't do that. Y'all just be like, anyway, regular cheese fries, $6. Regular lemonade, $5. Plain hot dogs, $6. Loaded fries, $10. Came to $31.95. Sales tax, New York's $2.48. This is what it is. It's that Frank, y'all. It's the Frank kind of way I like it. That's that good Frank, and you know what? It tastes just like the papaya dog. What is it called? Papaya dog?
It tastes just like it.
$5.99. I know we're paying for the name, and the bread is even. That bread feels a little stiff. You feel me? It's like it's crispy right here.
No, not scared to get on the crazy ride. In the fair, I was getting on all the crazy stuff. It was when we had to lay down. It was like a parachute thing. And we go in a circle. Why did I used to be scared?
I got relish. Let's see what the relish do.
I'm pretty sure you can.
The mustard is really good. Really, the price is not bad for Coney Island snacks. All right, this is that Frank, y'all. Got a nice popping snap. Here at Nathan's Hot Dogs in Coney Island. It was a good hot dog. No complaints. I got it bare, you know, and I just put mustard on it. Then I added relish from this Heinz package of relish. So it was good. I just wanted to get out here and try it. Y'all know what it is, man. It's Nathan's. They have a real good Frank. All of the other places I visited, they have good hot dogs and good toppings. The toppings in here, I mean, I just came to get a regular hot dog. And it's a hot dog, man. It's nothing like, it's delicious. Nothing like that. But I know one thing. The cheesy fries and the loaded fries look delicious. And you guys saw that when I showed it to you earlier. This is your man, Matt DB. Love you cats, man. Time to take a walk around Coney Island. Zoe gives her cheesy fries a 7.5. Zach gave his loaded cheesy fries an 8. I'm gonna give the hot dog a 7.5.
La sombrilla, umbrella, sombrilla, 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 umbrella.
Elizabeth? No. No, Elizabeth would be down that way. I don't see it. Long Island would be off of
Imagine your future differently. With the Power University's game-changing flexible program, you can learn your nursing degree without putting life on hold.
Thank you, sir. Here we go, yo. Here we go into the sunset. Got a half a dozen of those small clams right there. And it came to $15 for a half. So that's $30 a dozen. That is expensive. But once again, we're out here on the boardwalk in Coney Island. You know what I'm saying? So check this out, man. They smell fresh, but they just high as a motor scooter. We got some horseradish here. I'm gonna just go ahead and put horseradish on all of them, y'all. I like that horseradish. It has a little like salsy, peppery taste to it. Got that cocktail sauce right there. That's the good stuff. Let me just use this thing right here to get the cocktail sauce out on each one and stop acting like an amateur. And then I'm gonna put some lemon on them. Zach said he don't want none. You ready to go home? I know, right? We done did a lot of walking today. Put some lemon on them. I've been eating these since I was 5 years old. That flavor is the bomb. Especially with that horseradish on it. The horseradish. That horseradish has that little spiciness to it. I rather would have got like more of these clams instead of the hot dog. See that juice in there? Oh my goodness, clam juice. I know y'all, some of y'all bugging. Want some clam juice? I got 3 more. I asked for half a dozen. Why didn't they give me 7, man? Because I asked for half a dozen, right? Oh, I just dropped some of my juice. What part of the United States can I get the best clams? At a reasonable price. And mind you, when you get clams, I like the small ones to the mediums. I don't like the big, super large clams. I'm gonna get these a 10. I want to drink this juice, y'all. I know this trifling. It's like that lemon juice and that clam juice mixed up with this sausage. I'm done. I should have got more, Zach. Zach's laughing at me. I'm out. I can't even talk. I'm out, man. Y'all have a beautiful day. This your man, Matt DB. Nobody told you they love you today. You hanging with the wrong people, but you're hanging with the right cat now. I love all of you cats, man. Signing off from Coney Island. I'll see you at the next one. Peace. Those are tasty. Somebody's trying to sing, but it's not working. You hear it? Someone's trying to sing, but it ain't working. I want some more of this juice, man. Look, I'm stopping. Oh my goodness, can't eat that now. It's a done deal. There goes Zoe right there. She got some ice cream. You want something sweet? You done, huh? That filled you up good, didn't it? What's? Huh?
I don't want no sugar.
Oh. My son said he don't want no sugar. That's my boy. Leave all the sugar to me. Huh? All right, y'all, we about to get the train back home, but look, we just stopped at Krispy Kreme's. Donuts. Zoe and Zach getting theirs. Y'all know I ain't messing with no donuts this late in the day. They didn't have colorful donuts like that when I was little. Krispy Kreme's donuts. Yeah, Penn Station, man. So tired. So tired, man. At Coney Island, doing what we do at Coney Island. Manhattan, trains, Q train, PATH train, now New Jersey Transit. I need a nap. I'm tired. I did nap on the train a little bit, but I'm tired. Come on, y'all. Let's just wait for the train.
Yeah, it's
Y'all ain't want to
13
sit.
minutes.
Oh, it's 13 minutes. All right. So look, y'all. The schedule's up there. We're gonna go ahead and walk to the train. I don't think it's 13 minutes though. Is it? I didn't know they had a little, maybe I did. They got seating for New Jersey Transit and Amtrak in there. Seating, Amtrak and New Jersey Transit. Let's go wait for this train.